So here's Adidas confirmed app. It's sometimes it goes viral, and let's just explore how it works, how Adidas confirmed draw works, and all of the things. Um, so yeah, this is not official Adidas app, just for the start. So there is official Adidas app where you can just buy or like or Adidas sneakers and products and all of that. Confirmed app is just kind of some exclusive um, app where you can just buy some unique sneakers and some unique collections like Yeezy and all of that. Um, and then yeah, you can also install widgets and notifications and all of the things to be really like informed super quickly when there is a new drop. So yes, this is like a new feature. So okay, let's just try to install the widget, and then yeah, you can install the widget and see how countdown. But anyhow, this is like home, and then you can see like drops, and you can these are like some items you're not gonna buy in a normal store. So as you can see, this is some collections. Um, so then yeah, you can just participate, and then you need to order at least one size larger, so whatever. And then you need to participate, for example, just for this draw. And then you will just be notified when this item is available. So here you see some cool items, and then you can just tap participate. And then yeah, so yeah, and then you can just basically pay already. So that's the idea, that you need to pay the amount, and then you will be able to participate in this draw. And for example, here you just see some Yeezy sold out, some really cool sneakers. Then also you have like collabs, like some really interesting collaborations between different brands. You can find them with like Gucci, Moncler, Human Race. So you can just find them here. You can just find some interesting items, and you just need to stay on top really in this app, just not to miss anything. Here you can see now and soon, like soon you will have something like that. You can just set a reminder, and these ones it should be available quite soon. You need to enter before June 1st at specific time, and then you will be able to do that. So this is like the timeline. So you do you participate, there is a draw, and then we'll notify you once the draw results are in. Your order will only be placed if you win. You won't be spending money if you lost. So that's, I think, as I understand. But if you win, then there is no return or exchanges. If you order the wrong size or anything, that's it. You can return it, and then they won't be able to refund you. So it's pretty, yeah, you need to know like your size exactly, and with all these like collection items, your usual size can be not ideal, but they say all these recommendations. There is also like chat where you can just start a chat and all of things like that. So yeah, try it out. Definitely cool app, and you don't need it every time, but for some collection items, that's the app you want to try.